So what you're seeing here is an infraorbital rim fracture, part of the orbital fracture that we're fixing for this patient. And this is just to retract the globe. That's the way it should be. So we'll have to lift this small bit up and fix it higher up along with this fracture. You can see this is how it should be. Okay. Reduced and fixed this fracture here with a 2-hole implant and 2 screws. Just gonna show you the fracture line once again. So the infraorbital rim was depressed, so this would cause a facial aesthetic issue if we didn't do this. It's not going to have anything with the patient's eyes, so it's more for cosmetic reasons. But yes, it's a post-traumatic, it's an accident that's caused this. So we fixed it there. We're going to show you what else we've done for this patient. And we've done a lot of fractures, fixation, everything. So major pan-facial fractures. We're going to move on first to the mandible. I think you can see that the mental nerve, we preserved it, it's intact. There's a small triangular piece on this side. Let me show you that. So we've used one of these screws to get onto that small triangular piece. And then this one is the passing and that's on the larger plate on the lower border. That's on this side. I'm going to show you another fracture on the angle. So it was really posterior. So we've used a Heinz approach, the retromandibular approach. I'm going to show you the plate here. This patient's quite thick in that region, so it's going to be a little difficult for you to be able to see that. But we're going to show you the plate. Hold on. So there it is. Right. So you can see that. See that? I think you can come this side and take the video. Stop that. So she's moved on to a better location. I think you can see this now. There's a 4-hole square plate that's sitting in. I'm going to show it a little enlarged now. So we've used a retromandibular or a Heinz approach for this because it was way too posterior to approach it from inside the mouth. And you can see, let go. The dissection is about 1.5 inches. And we've gone through the muscles as well there. That's the approach. So this particular scar is not going to be, well, visible or conspicuous. Now we move on to the next fracture that we fixed, which is on the upper jaw. I hope you'll be able to see this one. Yeah, so that's the fracture. There we've used just a 2-hole plate, and the defect that you see here is the sinus. We're not going to do anything with that. The sinus is open now. We're going to let that remain. It's going to heal well with no issues for the patient whatsoever.